everyone, good evening. Nice to meet you. I'm a student. I'm a student. But today I'm not only a student, I'm an anchor of a start. Today's our topic is important learning English. You can see our three of our lists here. Here is the first, here is Mr. Momin, here is Mr. Sportion, and here is Mr. Rizwan. They all are students. So we're getting started on the topic. And first I'm calling you Mr. Momin. Mr. Momin, please tell us something about today's topic.
Today's topic is about importance of learning English. We have known a lot of important English language. Most of people and many countries they are speaking English. Also communicating with the other. If you go to another country, then you don't know their language, how to access our food. That time we are using English language for access our and English language use previous example education, academic and newspaper and previous things. We are not trying to use English language, so I think English is very important language for our daily life, and if we people for English language is very important, and that's all.
Thank you. Nice. Please tell us about the importance of learning English.
Okay, thank you very much for asking. You all know that English is the international language as well as very important language in today's world. Every books on higher level, higher education are written in English. That we will say that. And if you want to be a doctor, if you want to be an engineer, if you want to be a higher functioner, a higher officer, so you must need to learn English.
Yes.
Because it's an international language. And about 16 countries of the world use their English in as their first language, and about 350 million people use English as their first language, and another 302 million people uses English as a second language. So you can realize that English is very important language. And English is essential because if you go in a foreign country, you must have to learn English. And another people of foreign country come to our country, so that time we need to communicate in English. And if we want to communicate in English, we must know English.
Yes.
And every newspaper and every social media are based on English. If you don't know English, you can communicate with each other by using, social media like Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc. So yes, the importance of learning is very helpful for us, and we can't describe the importance of learning English in words. That's all.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Excuse me, Mr. Rizwan.
Yeah, sure.
Please tell us something about the importance of learning English.
Okay, thanks for asking. Because we know that English is very important and international language in the whole world. And though we are born in Bangladesh, but there are 180 countries in the whole world. They don't know our Bangla language. They know English, and for this reason, we learn English. And after that, we also know that English is an international language, and it uses in the whole world. And it also helpful for our business world, higher education, and other communication. If you know English, you cannot communicate with them and never go to with freedom. So it is the reason for English is important for us. And after that, if someone wanna go to abroad for higher education, he need English because they don't know our mother language. They know English language. And many foreign people come to our country. They don't know our mother language, which is Bangla. They know English. So it is the main topic that they talk to us, so it is the reason for English is important. So for this reason, all this reason, English is important for us and all the whole world.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. So the distinguished participants, he is the last person talked to. By our three participant speech, we can know that English language is have a great importance in our today's world. No one can stay out without English in our today's world. So we should learn English from now. So gentlemen, while now we're concluding our show, before concluding our show, I would love to express my profound gratitude to young and to kind persons. Please pardon me. No more today. Hope to see you next. Till then, stay safe. Bye. Bye.